Today we are going to discuss about areas under plane curve 2. That is, areas is the application of definite integral. Last class we discussed areas in chapter areas class 1. Today areas of class 2. So last class we discussed about area plane area. We are finding plane area in a curve and x-axis and the lines x equal to a and x equal to find. Today we are going to discuss about area in between two curves. That is line and curve in between two curves. On completion of this period, you will be able to find the area between two curves and area between line and curve. Last class we discussed recap areas under plane curves. First one. Area bounded by the curve y equal to f of x. The x-axis and the line x equal to a and x equal to b is the area bounded by the curves y equal to f of x. The x-axis and the line x equal to a and x equal to b is integration a to b f of x dx or integration a to b y dx. The area bounded by the curve y equal to f of x, the x-axis and the line x equal to and x equal to b is integration a to b y dx or integration a to b f of x dx. Curve and x-axis and the line x equal to a and b x equal to a and x equal to b is area is integration a to b y dx. And other second one is area bounded by the curve x equal to fy. The y-axis and the lines y equals to a and y equal to d. Area bounded by the curve x equal to fy. The y-axis and the line y equals to this is on y-axis. Y-axis and the line y equal to c and y equal to d is integration c to d f of y dy or integration c to d x dy. Once again, last class we discussed and solved this type of problems. The area bounded by the curve x equal to f of y, the y-axis and the line y equals c and y equal to d is the y-axis y equals c and y equal to d is integration c to d f of y dy or integration c to d x dy. Integration c to d x dy and integration c to d f of y dy. X equal to curve x equal to f of y, the y-axis and y equal to c and y equal to d. Next, today we are discussing area in between two curves, line and curves. Area between two curves, area bounded by the curves y1 equal to f1 of x, comma y2 equal to f2 of x, and the line x equal to a and x equal to b is area bounded by two curves y1 equal to f of x and next curve is y2 equal to f2 of x and the line x equal to b is integration a to b f1 of x minus f2 of dx or integration a to b y1 minus y2 dx. See the diagram like this. So first one is one of the diagram f1 of x and other diagram is f2 of x. See, sorry, see this. This is clear. The related figure looks like this. Look like following: x-axis and y-axis. This is x-axis and x-axis. This is x-axis and y-axis. So y1 equal to f of x is the one of the curve, and y2 equal to f2 of x one of the curve, and x equal to a and x equal to a and x equal to b lines. We are finding this intersection area. Okay, this finding intersection area. So area bounded by the curve y1 equal to f1 x, y2 f of x, and the line x equal to and x equal to b is integration a to b f1 of x minus f2 of dx or integration a to b y1 minus y2 dx or integration a to b upper curve minus lower curve dx. Integration a to b, upper curve minus lower curve into dx. If we take lower curve in first and upper curve in second, it will give the minus answer. So minus square units. If we take lower curve first, lower curve minus upper curve, it will give minus answer. We take right, we take first as upper curve minus lower curve. The related figure, once I can see, upper curve is upper, y1 equal to f1 of x upper curve, and y2 equal to f2 of lower curve. Upper curve minus lower curve, interval a to b. Example. See carefully. This is the first example. Find the area enclosed by the curves y square equal to 4ax and x square equal to 4ay. This is perfect example. Find the area enclosed by the curves y square equal to 4ax and x square equal to 4ay. Here, curves, these are two curves. But in this question, they are not given any upper limit and lower limit or lines. Not given any lines. So, first of all, we find the lower interval, upper interval and lower interval. Let the given curves are parabolas. Y square equal 4x and x square equal 4. Name it as y square equal 4x as 1, x square equal 4a, x 4a by s2. First of all, draw the diagram. So, y square equal to 4ax diagram is here on x axis y square equal to 4ax. This is x axis, the y axis, y square 4ax diagram. And next to x square equal 4ay diagram. X square is 4ay diagram on y axis. This is the another axis. So solving these two equations, we get upper limit and lower limit. So here y square equal to 4ax. So apply equation 2 in equation 1, that is x equal to root 4ay. Apply x equal to root a 4y in equation 1. So that is y square equal to 4a into root 4 is 2 root a root y, root a y. Squaring on both sides. So 4a into root 4ay, squaring on both sides will give y power 4 equal to 4 square a square 16a into 4a into y. 4 in 16 4 the 64 a cube y. 64 a cube y. Take out y common. Y cube minus 64 a cube equal to, take out left side, that is y power 4 minus 64 a cube y equal to 0. Take out y as common. So that is y equal to 0 and y cube minus 64 a cube equal to 0. That equal to y equal to plus or minus 4a, or in this process we get x equal to y equal to x square by 4a. So in this, we are getting another way. Y square equal to 4ax is 1, x square equal to 4a equal to, solving equation 1 and 2. We get from 1, from 2, from 2, y equal to x square by 4a. From 1, Apply 2 in 1 x square by 4a whole square equal to 4ax square by 4a whole square. That is x square whole square is x power 4 by 4. A square is 16. 4 square is 16. A square equal to 4ax. X power 4, take out right side, cross multiply this. X power 4 equal to 16 4 the 64. A into a cube to x. Take out left side. That is x power 4 minus 64 a cube x equal to 0. Take out x as common. X into x cube minus 4a cube equal to 0. X equal to 0 comma x equal to 4a. This we will use. Required area. Area under the parabola 1 minus area under the parabola 2. That equal to integration a to b y1 minus y2 dx. Here lower interval is 0, upper interval is 4a, required area. So first from equation 1, y equal to under root of 4ax. From equation 2, y equal to x square by 4a. So y square equal to 4ax in upper parabola and x square equal to 4a is lower curve. So first one is upper curve, second one is lower curve. From first equation, y equal to under root of 4x and second equation y equal to x square by 4a dx. So apply integration. Root 4ax. Root 4 is 2. Root a as is root a. The root x equal to x power 1 by 2. 2 into root a is a constant. 2 into root a integration 0 to 4a x power 1 by 2 into dx minus 1 by 4a into integration 0 to 4a x square dx. 1 by 4a integration 0 to 4a x square dx is equal to 2 root a into x power 1 by 2 integration x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. In denominator 3 by 2 come into numerator, that is 2 by 3 into integration x power 3 by 2 interval 0 to 4a minus 1 by 4 into x square integration is x cube by 3, that is 3 take out 3 in x cube interval 0 to 4a. Apply upper interval and lower interval. So upper interval 4a is, lower interval is 0. So apply upper interval. 4 root a by 3 into upper interval is 4a in x cube. Apply in place of x 4a power 3 by 2 minus 1 by 12a into 4a cube. 1 by 12 into 4a cube minus 0 0. So a power 4 into, see the right side, 4 cube a cube by 12a, that is a cube divided by a is a square. 4 3 is a 12 and remaining 4 4 is 16 by 3 a square. See like first term 4 into 4 power 3 by 2, a power 3 by 2 into a power 1 by 2, 4 power 1 into, so 4 power 3 by 2 is 2 square 4 power 3 by 2, square root divided by 2 cancel, that is 4 power 3. 4 power 3 into, so 2 power 3 into 4. 2 power 3 is 8. 8 4 the 32. 32 by 3 into yes. A power 3 by 2 into a power 1 by 2. That is 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is 2. That is a square. 32 a square by 3 minus 16 a square by 3. So 32 minus 16 is 16a square by 3 square units. I will repeating this question. You have this is some more difficulty. Find the area enclosed by the curves y square equal 4x and x square equal to 4ay. So see the diagram here. Y square equal 4x on an x-axis, x square equal 4a and y-axis. So see the intersection area marked as black. We are finding this black area, intersection area. So in our question, we have two curves only, and we don't have any upper interval and lower interval. Then we have to find upper interval and lower interval using these two curves. Y square equal 4x is, let the given curves name it as y square equal 4x as 1, equation 1, x square equal 4ay, equation 2. Solving equation 1 and 2, we get from equation 2 y equal to x square by 4a. Substitute y equal to x square by 4a in equation 1. In equation 1, that equal to, in place of y as x square by 4a. X square by 4a whole square, that equal to x power 4 by 4 square a square. 4 square is 16 by a square. So 16 by 4, x power 4 by 16 a square is equal to 4ax. Take out right side. X power 4 equal to 64 a cube x. So take out one side. X power 4 minus 64 a cube x equal to 0. Take out x as common here. X into x cube minus 4a cube equal to 0. This implies x equal to 0, comma x cube minus 4a cube equal to 0. This implies x equal to 4a and x equal to 0. Required area. Area under the parabola, required area equal to area under the parabola 1 minus area under the parabola 2. That is integration a to b y1 minus y2 dx. Area is area under the parabola 1 minus area under the parabola 2. That is integration a to b y1 minus y2 dx. From equation 1, so that equal to integration a to b means integration a to b, integration a equal to 0, b equal to 4a, integration 0 to 4a, y1 equal to, from equation 1, y equal to under root of 4ax, y equal to under root of 4ax, minus from equation 2, y equal to x square by 4a into dx, y1 minus y2 dx, upper curve minus lower curve. Here y square equal 4x is upper curve and x square equal 4a is lower curve, upper curve minus lower curve dx. Root 4x, root 4 is 2, root a is constant. Take out root 4, 2 into root a as constant outside, 2 root a into integration 0 to 4, 4a. Root x is x power 1 by 2 dx minus 1 by 4 is common, 1 by 4a into integration 0 to 4a x square dx. Apply integration. 2 root a into x power 1 by 2 integration is x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1, x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Take out 3 by 2, denominator 3 by 2 into numerator, that equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 interval 0 to 4a minus 1 by 4a into x. Next 1 by 4a into integration 0 to 4a x square integration is x cube by 3. Take out 3 outside. 1 by 3 into x cube interval 0 to 4a. Apply upper interval and lower interval. Here 2 into 2, 4, 4 root a by 3. Apply upper interval 4 root a by 3. Apply upper interval is 4a in place of x. 4a power 3 by 2 minus 4a into 3. 1 by 4a into 1 by 3 is 1 by 2a into x cube is 4a power 3. 4a power 3. That is, in first term, 4a power 3 by 2 means 4 power 3 by 2 into a power 3 by 2. 4 power 3 by 2 is 2 square. 4 is 2 square power 3 by 2. Square root divided by 2 cancel, that is 2 power 3. 2 power 3 is 8. 8 fours are 32. 32 by a first. And a power 3 by 2, root a is a power 1 by 2. A power 3 by 2 into a power 1 by 2 is a power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is a power 4 by 2. A power 4 by 2 is a square. So that is 32 a square by 3. Next topic. 1 by 12 into 4a cube. 4 power 3 into a power 3 divided by a is power 3 divided by a is power a square. A square, it will give a square. 4 power 3, 64 by 12 or 4 into 16 by 12. 4 3s are 12. 4 12 cancel, that is 3. 16 by 3 a square. 32 a square by 3, 16 a square by 3 means 32 minus 16 is 16 a square by 3 square units. Next question. Area bounded by the curve x1 equal to f1 of y and x2 equal to f2y and the lines y equal to c and y equal to d. The area bounded by the curves, bounded by the two curves, and x1 equal to f1y, x2 equal to f2y, and the lines y equal to c and y equal to d is integration c to d y equals to and y equal to integration c to d f1 minus f2y dy or integration c to d x1 minus x2 dy. The area bounded by the curve x1 equal to curves x1 equal to f1y, x2 equal to f2y, and the lines y equals to and y equal to d is integration c to d x1 minus x2 dy. First curve minus second curve. That is integration c to d upper curve minus lower curve dy. Upper curve minus integration c to d upper curve minus lower curve dy. Note, generally in this case, upper curve will be on RHS and lower curve will be on LHS as shown in the figure in the next slide. The related figure look like the follows. Upper curve is right side, lower curve is left side in y axis, and y equals c and y equal d. See the figure, upper curve minus lower curve. Generally, in the case, upper curve will be on RHS and lower curve will be on LHS side. See there our diagram. Upper is upper curve, lower is lower curve, but in these two curves are same position, but right side is upper curve and left side is lower curve. That equal to see the diagram. X1 equal to f1y is upper curve, x2 equal to f2y is left side curve is lower curve, and y equal to c and y equal to d as lines. We are finding in between area these. Upper curve, remember, upper curve is right curve is upper curve, left curve is lower curve. Example, this type of example. Find the area of segment cut off from the parabola. Y square equal to 8x by the straight line 2x minus y minus 8 equal to 0. So in this question, one is the line and one is the parabola. Intersection between parabola and line. Find the area of the segment cut off from the parabola y square equal to 8x and with the straight line 2x minus 5 minus 8 equal to 0. So see the diagram like this. So y square equal to 4ax like 8y here, given like y square 4x and x axis, and line segment 8 line segment is 2x minus y minus 8 equal to 0 like this. So which one is the upper curve? Which one is the lower curve? Here upper curve is the straight line and lower curve is parabola. So in this question, they not given any line upper interval, no lower interval, but we have to find upper interval, lower interval in y way. So let the given curve with y square equal to 8x. In that x equal to, this implies x equal to y square by 8. Next question is y equal to 2x minus 8. From substituting equation 1 in equation 2, y equal to 2 into x is y square by 8, y square by 8 minus 8. That is 8y equal to 2y square minus 8 into 8 is 64. Taking cross multiplying, 8y equal to 2y square minus 8 into 8 is 64. So that is 2y square minus 8y minus 64 equal to 0. 2 is common. Y square minus 4y minus 32 equal to 0 using factorization. Y square minus 8y minus 4 plus 4y, 8 minus 8y minus 8y plus 4y minus 32 equal to 0. In that y minus 4 into 8, y minus 8 into y plus 4 equal to 0. This gives y equal to 8 and y equal to minus 4. So here lower interval is minus 4, upper interval is plus 8. We get lower interval and upper interval. Required area. Integration minus 4 to 8, upper curve. Here, right, in y-axis, upper curve is on right side, lower curve is on left side. So from equation 2, required area integration c to d x1 minus x2 dx. From equation to x1 equal to y plus 8 by 2 and x2 equal to y square by 8 into dy. Simplify this. Cross multiply. LCM is 8. Already stood there. At 4 by plus 4 8 is 32 minus y square dy. 1 by 8 is common. 1 by 8 into 4 into integration of y square by 2. That is 2 2 is 4 plus 32 integration of 32 into 1 dy equal to y. Y square integration is y cube by 3 interval minus 4 to 8. That is apply upper interval and lower interval. 1 by 8, 2 into 8 square plus 32 into 8 plus 8 cube by 3. 1 by 8 minus 1 by 8 into 1 by 8 common. 2 into minus 4 square plus 32 into minus 4 minus 4 cube by 3. That will give 1 by 8 into 8 square is 64 twos are 128 plus 32 into 8, 32 eights are 256 minus 8 cubes are 512 by 3 minus 2 into 4 square, 16 to the 32 minus 32 into 4. So plus 32 into minus 4. 32 minus 4 the minus 128 plus 4 cube by 3 minus it minus 4 64 by 3. Simplify this. 5 and 2 by 64 by 3 64 by 3. Divide the equation with the 8. The wrong answer. Sorry. 1 by 8 is common term. 128 plus 256. Solve this. 128 plus 256 into 3 minus 645. 640 by 3. That is 80 by 3. 80 by 3. First one is 80 by 3. Next 128 minus 32 96 into 2 minus 2 plus 64 minus 28 minus 28 by minus plus 52 by 3 square unit. This is the wrong answer. So they are not divided yet properly. In that video, I'm confused. But answer is 52 by 3 square units. I'm repeating this. Find the area of the segment cut off from the parabola y square equal to 8x by the straight line 2x minus 8 minus 2x minus y minus 8 equal to 0. This is the intersection of y square equal to 8x and the straight line 2x minus y minus 8 equal to 0. In that, given to one curve and straight line, but they not given any upper interval and lower interval. You have to find upper interval. Let the given curve be y square equal to 8x. From this, x equal to y square by 8. And next from second equation, 2x minus 8 equal to y equal to x minus 8. Substituting equation 1 in equation 2, substitute equation 1 in equation 2. That is, x y equal to 2 into x is 2 into y square by 8 minus 8. To multiply 8 into cross multiply. 8y 8y equal to 2y square minus 8 into 8 is 64. 2y square minus 64 minus 8y equal to 0. That equal to, take out 2 outside, 2 was common. y square minus 4y minus 32 equal to 0. Factorization it. So factorization 8 minus 4 into 8 plus 4 equal to 0. That is 8 y equal to, so 8 y minus 8 plus y plus 4 equal to 0. That equal to y equal to 8 and y equal to minus 4. Diagrams of parabola y square equal to 8y is up curve, and straight line is 2x minus y minus 8 is straight line. In that, in y cases, right side is upper curve, left side is lower curve. In that, line is the upper curve, parabola is lower curve. We get up limits are y equal to 8 and y equal to minus 1. Lower limit is minus 4, upper limit is plus 8. Apply. Required area equal to integration minus 4 to 8 x for x1 minus x2 dy. That is x from upper curve is straight line, from straight line x equal to y plus 8 by 2, and from curve x equal to 8 square by 8, y square by 8 into dy is equal to LCM 4y plus 4 8 is 32 minus y square by y square, take out 8 outside, minus 4 to 8, 4y plus 32 minus y square dy. See, integrating 1 by 8 into 4 into y integration is y square by 2. 2 2 is the 4, that is 2y square, plus 32 into 1 dy equal to 32y, minus y square integration is y cube by 3, interval minus 4 to 8. So 1 by 8, apply upper interval is 8, 2 into 8 square, 64 to the 128. Next, 32 into 8, 32 into 8 is 256. Y cube, 8 cube is 512 by 3. Next, apply lower interval. 2 into minus 4 square, minus 4 square is 16. 16 to the 32. Next, 32 into minus 4 is minus 128. Next, y cube is minus 4 power 3. That is 4 power 3, 64 by 3. That is plus 64 by 3. So add this. 1 by 8 is common. 128 plus 128, that is 256. 256 plus 256, that is 512. 512 minus 512 by 3. 3512 minus 512, 512 by 3. 2 into 512 by 3 minus 32 is 63 into 32 minus 3 into 32 plus 2 into 32 by 2, that is 5 into 32 by 2. 5 into 32 by 3, that is 32. 160 by 3 minus 160 by 3 2 into 5 into minus 160. 864 by 864 by 3. 864 by 3 into 8 divided by 8. 108 by 3, that is 54 by 85. This answer is wrong. I am going next answer. Previous question paper examination. Previous examination question. Find the area between the curves y square equal to 4x and x square equal to 12. Y square equal to 4x and x square equal to 2y by. So in between area is 16 square units. So this is x square equal. This is first example. Find the area enclosed between the curve y equal to x square and the line y equal to 3x plus 2. So same as second. Find the area between the line x equal to 3 and y equal to 3x and the curve y equal to x square, y square equal to 4x, y equal to x square equal to 4ay. X square equal to 4ay curve and y equal to 3x, y minus 3x equal to 0. Find using this, find the other interval. One interval is equal to 3 and find the other interval. The problem. Find the area enclosed between the curves y square equal to 2x and the straight line 4x minus y equal to 0. Y square 2x and the straight line y square equal 4x. See this question I like. Second example is on y axis. Is what is the area bounded by the curve y1 equal to f on x and y2 equal to f of x and the lines x equal to and x equal to b. So integration a to b f1 of x minus f2 of x dx is the correct answer. What is the area bounded by the curves x1 equal to f1 y and x2 equal to f2y and the lines y equals to and y equal to d is integration c to d f1 y minus f2 y dy. Summary. In this session, we have learned about the area bounded by the curves y1 equal to f1 of x, y2 and y2 equal to f2x and the line x equal to and x equal to b is given by integration a to b f1 of x minus f2 of x dx or integration a to b y1 minus y2 dx or upper integration a to b upper curve minus lower curve into dx. And second one is the area bounded by the curves x1 equal to f1y and x2 equal to f2y and the lines y equals to and y equal to d is given by integration c to d f1y minus f2y dy or integration c to d x1 minus x2 dy or integration e to b upper curve minus lower curve dx. In y-axis, right side curve is upper curve, left side curve is lower curve. Note that right side curve is upper curve, left side curve is lower curve. In x-axis, upper curve is upper, lower curve is lower curve. But in y-axis, right side curve is upper curve, left side curve is lower curve. So we have discussed today integration between find the area between two curves, line and curve and curve. Next class, we are going to discuss higher position of areas finding the higher area. Okay, I am closing today.